The rear trim in front of the trunk is removed next. It's held in place with screws. Next, we'll remove the feature strip from the header bow. Remove the side rear weather strip. Remove the wire-on ends. These were screwed on, as most are, but sometimes you will find them held in place with a stainless steel nail. Alrighty then, you've installed a convertible top. If you've been patient and followed the directions closely, your top should look something like this. Everybody at Top Gun 1 would like to take this opportunity to thank you for using our video, and I hope you enjoy your new convertible top. The tool list for this job is pretty straightforward, and most of them will be found in a good average toolbox. The possible exceptions are the air or electric staple gun and the spray contact cement. Spray contact cement can be bought at any building center or hardware store. You can also find the air or electric staple gun at those places. If you decide not to buy an air or electric staple gun, you can probably rent one at your local tool rental center.